Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we're going to create a very simple project. You're going to create a project that can be able to use artificial intelligence, computer vision, to replace the background. Like for example, if you're in a Zoom meeting whereby the image is the background, you can replace the background with another image, right? This is what we're going to do using computer vision. So you're going to see how you can simulate such a system using computer vision. So to demonstrate what you're going to go ahead and build, I'm just going to go ahead and show you what you're going to build at the end. So I'm just going to run the file that I already have here. So let me just run the file that I already have here. So I'm just going to run it. And this is simply going to, you can see the original image right here, and you can see the image in which I have removed the background. So I removed the background and I kept only the human inside of another background. So you can see it looks like the guy is in another house or something, but this is the original image, while this is the actual replacement of the background image. So this is the original image and the other one is for the replacing of the background. So this is what you're going to do to build a very simple project, and this is very common in applications such as Zoom, I think also TikTok and Instagram. They have such systems. So we're going to build something very small, very similar to this. So let's get started. So one thing before we get started, the thing you need to do, we're going to be using MediaPipe, OpenCV, and NumPy. So make sure that you have these libraries already installed on your system. Okay, so if you don't know how to install this library, you can check the very beginning series of videos in this series. You can I went over how to install this library, so go ahead and check those videos out. Again, we're also going to go ahead and we need to use a couple of images. So this is the image that you're going to, the video that you're going to use, and this is the image which you're going to set as the background. Okay, so that's what we're going to use. And you guys, if you're new to the channel, please kindly consider subscribing, liking this video, and sharing with your friends and family who might find it very helpful. Okay, so let's jump to it already. So I'm just going to open up my Visual Studio Code. So I have my virtual environment activated and I have all the libraries installed. Again, if you don't know how to install the libraries, just go on Google, search how to install OpenCV, how to install MediaPipe, and how to install NumPy. I already have this already installed and I showed you how to install this on the previous tutorial, so make sure that you follow along with those tutorials. So let me just close this for now. I just want to I don't want to open all that. I want to this folder, and I want to open it just in this folder. Okay, so let's get started to it. So once this is open up, I'm just going to close this. So we can see we have one folder in there called resources, and in there I have my video and my image, which is going to be the background, and the video, which is going to be the actual video. And then I'm going to create another file here called basics.py. So in basics.py, that's where we're going to keep our content, right, our logic for replacing the human background. Again, we're going to be using MediaPipe. If